Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. This is Shakil. In this video I am going to show you how you can download a file from GitHub. Okay, well, so I open my browser, Google Chrome. So I paste my link here. Okay, so this is the files. So suppose I want to download a CSV data like prediction.csv. Actually this is the data for prediction home prices. So I just click on raw. Okay, this is my raw data. So I just click on right button, then I select just save as. Okay, so I click here save as. Okay, so then save. Now I open this file. Okay, my file download completed. Now I simply use this data for my machine learning algorithm. Okay, that's it.